Hello, good morning, family members and all my viewers. So, welcome back to my channel, new channel. So, thank you so much to come back and view my this wonderful video. So, today I'm going to show you about the Maharashtra, the garden of Maharashtra in this military road. So, come here, I'm going to show you all that park. So now I'm going to show you all the natural about different kind of tree and different kind of species, variety and everything. So morning, early in the morning, they are to Indian gas hande alak kisim thake se dawai la gas hambu aro. Here I want to explain the key inside. So many customers mentioned that Bharat Van Garden is a beautiful and peaceful place, perfect for morning and evening walk. And some users appreciated the variety of amenity available, such as open gym, amphitheater, playground, kids play, and area benches, stones seat, and then greenery. As well as here, the presence of the art season, live performance by artists and a vibrant arts community in a Moral Arts Village, that is Maral Arts Village, was highly praised by visitors. The effort of the resident association and individual act like a suraj near its creating and maintaining the garden were acknowledged as excellent work. So here I'm going to explain more about that. So the plum tree kan say tu, plum tree alak ase, itu like swimming pool ase tu. Pool thake, pool bi man sundur ase. Sabi. So my pool tu itu direct I kena dikhai dibo itla tu. Flower bi olai chile tu itu diabetes karne bisi bhal ase itu ande. Flower though. Several users mentioned here the fresh air and abundance of the tree in the garden, and making it an ideal place to enjoy the nature when we are in lonely and when we are like in the idle time. And we can visit here and we can do the yoga, as well as yoga area is the top of this location. This is the right location, and below that, behind that, there is a exercise building also there, exercise room for the old men and old women. They are enjoy in the morning and evening. So, ini tu moi top te pungji ese, jaga tu. So ni cite komando, ni exercise kore na ni cite. Kalau saat ande, aja ande, tadi exercise kore se. तो मैं itu video do kila itu loai sih kalau itu allow tase video hande pura allow tase itu lah prak do available ase kalau itu gas sob dala do tahan they are planting a medicinal plant and all the beauty of the nature. Kalau itu lah gas do nam sampai pada dala nata dawai lah gas kan aro ekta sob kini ne tahan. They bought from the market, they bought from somewhere else, and they are planting here. So, tali ase to isi oversupply ase. Mana nakalan jaga itu ini lebih problem man diktar. Itu ini ala park tapi. itu là chiria tu itu halak kure ro pola nai dikhai dibo itu la tu duita takise age tu ekta takise holibe eta tu duita hoise motaro maiki aisi te to na dekhis na opor de itu opor de ekta aro itu ekta sabi motaro maiki itu dia halak kure itu kala to chiria tu so manon ite exercise kuri takise. So if we love the nature, there is a beauty in everywhere and you can find the beauty of the nature. So that is my quotation. So I can find right now the beauty of the nature, and there is a different species, different kind of bird I can find it. So I really enjoy about this place. Friendly, yes. So please don't skip my video and watch till the end of my video. And please do subscribe, like, and share, and comment on the below so that I will come to know whoever comments on the below the comment box. So because of your kind generosity and kind support, so thank you so much for your love and support. So next video I will come again, next channel.